In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock and encrypt your files with a password. We're going to do this without the use of any third-party application. I'm going to use this tool as samples. It's the same method with other files. Okay, to lock these files, the first thing we need to do is to open a text document. Right-click on here, go to New, then click Text Document. Open the text document, double-click on it. I'm going to paste these codes. I will be leaving these codes in the description. Now you're going to set your password. To do that, locate this part where it says your password. Now type in any password of your choice. For the sake of this video, I will make mine 123456. After typing your password, go up here to File, then click Save As. Down here under Save As type, expand it, select All Files. Here, choose any name of your choice. I'm going to name mine Locked Up, okay? You can name it however you like, but the important part is the file extension. Now you're going to type .bat. So give it a name, then type .bat. Once you're done with that, click Save. X on this one. Now here we have a .bat file. You can go ahead and delete this one. Now we're left to the bat file and the files we want to encrypt. So run this bat file, double click on that. It opens a folder named Private. Highlight on the files you want to lock, then drag them into the private folder. Double click on the bat file. Now it says, are you sure to lock this folder? Y for yes, N for no. Press Y on your keyboard and then press Enter. Now the folder and the containing files are not there anymore. If you want to unlock the folder, double click on the .bat file. Now it says enter password to unlock your secure folder. I will enter the password I created earlier, 123456. Press enter. So that is it. If you open this, you can see that I have the files here in the folder. Now I'm going to lock it again. Double click on that. Press Y. Press enter. Now it's locked. You can keep this file somewhere hidden. You can drag it to your Windows C or any folder that you don't use often. And if anyone managed to get access to your computer, they won't be able to unlock this only if they know your password. So that's how you lock your folders and files in the Windows computer. I'll keep posting videos like this back to back. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out in my future post. That's going to be all for now. See you on the next one.